So hello, I'm the developer of Lewis and Crow Photo Booth app. So this video is a tutorial on how to purchase a subscription. So first you will need to visit my website. So I will provide this link on the description and in the comments. So first to buy a subscription, go to my pricing section. You will see here three subscription cards that are available. So first we have the Event Pass, the Pro Monthly, and the Studio Annual. For the Event Pass, this is a one-time, one-day access. So this will disable the watermark, and you will now get the QR code generation for sharing and the Google Drive integration for cloud storage. So it's the same with the other subscription cards. The difference is that on how long the subscription will last. So for the Event Pass, it's one day. The Pro Monthly is 30-day access, and the Studio Annual is 12 months access. So if you now choose the subscription that you like, just press the Get Started. You will see here the durations. So choosing a duration here increases the price. Then you will see here the device limit. So the default for the device limit is 2. So this device limit means that you can only log in your account on 2 devices. So you can use your active account only on 2 devices, but you can configure it by pressing this plus button. So this plus button also increases the price based on how many devices that you add. So after configuring and you like the duration and the device limit, just press the proceed to payment. So after this, you will see this window. So this is my send it payment process. So you just choose here on what payment process is comfortable to you. Then after that, just press it and it will redirect you, and you can just pay for it. So after the payment, it will verify it. Then if it's successful, you can check your account. So you can check the subscription details. So it's active now, and it's paid, and the expiration date, and if the watermark is disabled. You can also check the payment history if the payment was successful. So here you can see our transaction earlier. So this was just a tutorial and a test, so I didn't pay for it. So you will see here that it's still pending, so just press cancel. So that's it. That's how you purchase a subscription on my app.